Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're exploring one of the most anticipated cruiser motorcycles of the year, the 2026 Harley-Davidson California. Designed to combine classic Harley styling with modern performance and comfort, this bike is perfect for riders who crave long-distance comfort, iconic design, and dependable engineering. In this video, we'll dive deep into every aspect of the California, from exterior aesthetics and rider comfort to engine performance, safety, electronics, pricing, and availability. Let's get started. Exterior features. Body panel. The 2026 Harley-Davidson California features a signature cruiser silhouette with flowing lines and a muscular stance. The fuel tank is sculpted with Harley's classic teardrop design, giving the rider excellent knee grip and control. Side panels are elegantly integrated, contributing to a clean and refined overall appearance. Chrome accents highlight the Harley aesthetic, creating a timeless yet modern look. Headlight. The front is dominated by a large, round LED headlight with a chrome bezel. This headlight provides wide and bright illumination for nighttime riding while maintaining Harley's iconic style. The beam pattern ensures visibility in city traffic and on highways alike, giving the rider confidence in all conditions. Taillight. At the rear, the LED taillight is sleek and streamlined, integrated seamlessly into the rear fender. Its bright illumination ensures you are visible to traffic behind, while the minimalistic design maintains the bike's clean, classic profile. Wheels and tires. The California rides on alloy wheels with premium cruiser tires designed for comfort and stability. The wide rear tire improves traction and adds to the bike's commanding presence on the road. The suspension and wheel setup are tuned for smooth cruising and cornering stability, providing a confident and comfortable ride on long journeys. Exhaust system. The exhaust is chrome finished with dual outlets, delivering the classic Harley rumble while meeting modern emission standards. The sound is deep, throaty, and unmistakably Harley, enhancing the riding experience while providing the right amount of attention on the road. Interior comfort and convenience. Seating and ergonomics. The Harley-Davidson California is built for long-distance comfort. The rider seat is wide, well-cushioned, and ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue on extended rides. The passenger seat is equally supportive, offering a comfortable experience for two-up riding. Handlebars are positioned for a relaxed, upright posture, allowing riders to cruise all day without strain. Foot pegs are strategically placed to complement this posture, giving both control and comfort over long distances. Instrument cluster. A modern digital analog hybrid instrument cluster provides essential information at a glance: speed, RPM, fuel level, gear indicator, and trip meters. Optional connectivity features, depending on trim, may include smartphone integration for navigation and ride analytics. Controls and rider interface. All controls are ergonomically positioned for easy access. Switchgear is tactile, responsive, and designed for comfortable operation even with gloves on, making city riding and highway cruising a breeze. Powertrain components. Engine. The 2026 California is powered by Harley-Davidson's signature V-twin engine. Depending on the variant, it offers ample torque at low and mid RPMs, perfect for relaxed cruising or overtaking on highways. The engine delivers smooth, linear power, ideal for long-distance rides while preserving the classic Harley character. Transmission and clutch. A 6-speed transmission with a slipper-assisted clutch ensures smooth gear transitions. The gearbox is tuned for effortless city riding and high-speed cruising, reducing rider fatigue and improving long-distance comfort. Chassis and suspension. The frame is engineered for stability and comfort, with front telescopic forks and rear dual shocks optimized for cruiser dynamics. Suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections, ensuring a smooth ride over varying surfaces, while maintaining stability in corners and during high-speed cruising. Braking system. The California comes with front and rear disc brakes with ABS. The system provides excellent stopping power and modulation, ensuring rider confidence under all conditions, whether in city traffic or on open highways. Safety and rider assistance. ABS and stability control. Dual-channel ABS prevents wheel lock-up during hard braking, enhancing safety in wet or low traction conditions. Combined with a low center of gravity and stable chassis, this makes the California predictable and safe even in emergency situations. Lighting for safety. LED headlights, taillights, and turn indicators provide enhanced visibility. The bright LED setup ensures the rider is easily seen by other motorists, improving overall road safety. Ergonomics and handling. Rider-focused ergonomics, combined with smooth steering and stable suspension, make the California highly controllable. Even new riders will feel confident managing the bike in urban and highway environments. Electrical and lighting systems. LED lighting system. Full LED lighting ensures bright and consistent illumination while minimizing power draw. Headlights, taillights, and turn signals offer high visibility, longevity, and modern efficiency while retaining classic Harley styling. Instrument cluster and connectivity. The hybrid instrument panel is intuitive, with clear readouts for speed, RPM, fuel, and trip info. Higher trims may offer Bluetooth connectivity for navigation, phone calls, and music, enhancing convenience on long rides. Charging and power options. Some trims include USB or accessory power ports, allowing riders to charge smartphones or GPS devices while on the road, adding practicality for long-distance journeys. Cargo and utility. The Harley-Davidson California is built with long-distance touring in mind. Integrated rear luggage mounts allow for saddlebags or touring packs. Under-seat storage offers minimal but practical space for small items like documents or essential tools. Accessory options such as tank bags, windshields, and touring gear further enhance utility without compromising styling or performance. Pricing. The 2026 Harley-Davidson California is expected to be priced in the premium cruiser segment, reflecting its iconic design, engineering, and comfort features. Estimated price range: $22,000 minus $26,000 USD, depending on variant and options. Release date: the 2026 Harley-Davidson California is expected to hit dealerships by March 2026, with availability gradually rolling out in major markets worldwide. For comparison, the 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R, a high-performance superbike, is expected to arrive around mid-2026 depending on regional distribution. Ending note. And that concludes our in-depth look at the 2026 Harley-Davidson California, a bike that perfectly blends classic Harley styling, long-distance comfort, and modern engineering. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser rider or looking for a premium touring motorcycle, the California offers a luxurious and dependable ride that's ready for city streets and open highways alike. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know. Would you pick the California for relaxed long rides, or are you aiming for a sportier option like the Ducati Panigale V4R? Thanks for watching. Ride safe, enjoy the journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Motorcycle Sparkles.